Hi lovelies, so I want to show you what I take after workout. Okay, inside this container I have green apple, yellow apple, and pera. Okay, I have 2 pera and yellow apple and green apple. Okay, so do you want to test it? So I'm going to put it inside the fridge for it to cool. Like I said earlier in one of my videos, I don't like taking cold things, but I would want this to be cool, just cool, cool, okay? Then after I take my shower, I will drink it as my dinner. Yes, I'll try as much as I can not to eat food this night, annoying weight. So I want it to go. So I'll try not to eat any other thing other than that smoothie. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.